Hey, all you backyard train fans, G-Scale live steam. I'm here at the Willoughby Railroad. Just stopped by to see how things are going. They're getting ready for their open house, their first open house this Saturday, 10 to I believe 4. They just completed this engine storage building, and it's sun's starting to go down, and they have some lights in it, and it's really kind of cool looking. And I just thought I'd do a real quick video. If you come to the open house, you can check it out. We got 3 tracks going in, and with the doors that open and close. There's some inside lighting. You got rope lights going on the inside all the way around. So we're just looking inside here. Tracks are pretty much filled up, so you can come check it out if you come to the open house. Here's the sides with the windows. I think this holds, these are the Aristocrat stainless steel cars. You can hold 5, I think, in it. And basically the roof is divided into 3 sections. And you can raise the roofs up to get into the inside. So here's like looking in the back. The camera wants to focus on the, oh, there we go. Looking in the windows. Yep, keeps wanting to focus on the glass part. So anyways, just one of the features of the Willoughby Railroad. Again, this is brand new, just still being worked on, things still happening. Just thought, well, I'm here just seeing how they're doing, getting ready. Here's the doors. They kind of close up for the night. Close them all up. And that's what it looks like on the outside. Very cool. And we got 3 tracks come out and go around, and then ties into the main line over by the bridge off in the distance there. So that's it. Stop by, check it out this Saturday. Hope to see you trackside.